Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can essentially collect data from Google Forms. So I already have one made and I've also gotten response from that, but you're just going to want to actually find one that already has like responses. I'm not going to create a new one, you know how it goes. You're just going to select responses here and you're going to simply select link to sheets, and then you can create a new spreadsheet or select existing spreadsheet. I'm just going to create a new one, then I'm going to select create, and then it's going to open up basically the data that you have from the from the form, and you can kind of like adjust it so you guys can see the response and stuff like that. I only have like 9, so I'm only able to see 9 responses, as you can see. But yeah, that is basically it. This is like how you can like collect data and stuff like that from Google Forms. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!